How to download TradingView application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download your TradingView application on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for the TradingView application, just like this, and just ignore the first one, which is a sponsored one. And for your confirmation, it has over 10 million plus downloads. So simply select this. This app basically lets you watch the chart and of the trade with the real-time data. So simply click on select, install, and wait for some time depending upon your internet connection. And depending upon your internet connection, it should be downloaded and installed on your device, just like that. So once it gets successfully downloaded, simply click on open to launch the application. And just like that, you have successfully downloaded and installed your TradingView application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.